We've been hearing all about the big makeover that's been taking place in Karratha in WA's northwest. So, thought we'd jump on a plane and come and check it out and find out exactly what it means for the real estate industry up here. While Karratha is predominantly known as a mining town, it seems it's also become a real estate investment mecca with all the amenities of a modern town. Karratha's marketplace has come back roughly 10% on its historic 2009 highs for both rental properties and sales prices after the finalisation of the Woodside Pluto project, who gave back roughly 160 properties to the rental market upon wind-up of their construction phase. This increased supply of rentals has meant a temporary reduction in house values. To find out just exactly what this means for potential investors, who better to ask than the positive cash flow property specialists from Crawford Realty. So Ryan, tell us a little bit about what's happening in the market up here and why it's meaning good investments.
Look, Karratha is a fantastic option for investment at the moment because it's one of those dynamic Pilbara markets that offers not only high returns, but the opportunity for investors to invest in a diversified town that is not a normal mining town. Karratha is a super infrastructure town, and it offers investors the opportunity to invest into a market which historically for the last 12 months has been a little flat. We are expecting a fairly strong market resurgence next year, which will obviously offer some fantastic capital growth.
So that's good news.
Absolutely.
So while it seems that the real estate market here is thriving, so is the town. No longer just a one-horse town, Karratha is a vital part of the state government's Pilbara Cities vision and will be modernised with stylish new complexes, a buzzing cafe strip with plenty of restaurants and bars, as well as Pilbara's largest and most modern shopping centre. Located perfectly between the coast, bursting with incredible marine life, and the outback, Karratha is providing ample opportunities for workers, investors and young families. Brian, we're always hearing about how Karratha is a booming town. What are some of the new projects on the horizon?
Look, Karratha is one of those areas obviously that is, as I said, multi-diversified at the moment. There's some fantastic new projects coming on, including the new Ankertel port. The new Orica explosives plant is up and running and coming onto its construction phase, and also the expected Pluto project, which at the moment, although it is in a maintenance phase, is certainly the sleeping giant of Karratha and expected to bring very large workforces back on board into the new year.
So it's not slowing down anytime soon?
Absolutely not, no. Karratha is going ahead on many different company levels.
Now, what type of rent returns and tenancy can investors expect?
Look, investors in Karratha can expect between 9 and 10% rent returns, and look at a vacancy rate of around 1 to 2% a year. That's fantastic peace of mind for the investors. Now, ideally, the best thing I think about investing in Karratha at the moment is the opportunity to make some quick capital growth. Usually the fastest growth we see in the northwest markets is when a market resurges from a downtime to an active period, obviously, which we're expecting early next year. So there's some great opportunity to make that quick capital growth in Karratha.
So the Karratha market is booming and showing no signs of slowing down. In fact, if you look around, it looks like it's picking up a notch. To find out more about the investment opportunities available, give the guys from Crawford Realty a call or head to crawfordrealty.com.au.